Q Home Decor presents The Food Shala in association with City Max Hotels, Geo Hypermarket, Chili Willy, Yoplait Yogurt and Alain Vegetables. Spiced up by 105.4 Radio Spice. Television partner Colors. Printing partner Gulf Technical Printing Press.
There is no sincerer love than the love of food, said George Bernard Shaw, and I couldn't agree more on this. कुछ लोगों के लिए खाना बनाना और खिलाना एक जुनून होता है और इसी जुनून का जश्न मनाने के लिए हम लेके आए हैं द फूड शाला, जहां पे लगेगा culinary तड़का और होगा 11 लकी कंटेस्टेंट्स का जायका। पहली बार यूएई में किचन बनेगा जंग का मैदान। The galleries will be full of critics who will make no mistakes because they will attempt nothing. Down in the arena will be you, fearless and confident, taking your passion to a newer height.
It's often said that a good cook is like a sorceress who dispenses happiness. And you'll find one like that in every household. The Food Shala के माध्यम से हम आपको मिलवाएंगे आपके किचन के इन्हीं महाशेफ से, जिनके लिए घर के सदस्य हैं भगवान तो किचन है मंदिर, और जो मानते हैं कि परिवार के दिल तक पहुंचना हो तो पहले उनके पेट को संतुष्ट करना पड़ता है।
Listen, I want to win this at any cost. I'll cry out if I won't win.
I'm so excited. I just hope it opens some doors for me so I can be more well occupied than just being a housewife and cooking for the family.
Today, 11 proud winners will take home 11 aprons, and over the next 13 weeks will be pitted together in a culinary face-off to win the ultimate prize worth 50,000 dirhams and of course the golden topi. इसके अलावा आप याद रखिए कि the winning recipe will also be featured in the menu of Sizzling Wok and Claypot restaurants at the City Max Hotel. Hello and welcome. I'm Preeti Bhamra. Please join us in this celebration of cuisine.
Q Home Decor presents The Food Shala in association with City Max Hotels, Geo Hypermarket, Chili Willy, Yoplait Yogurt and Alain Vegetables. Spiced up by 105.4 Radio Spice. Television partner Colors. Printing partner Gulf Technical Printing Press. अजमान से लेकर अबू धाबी तक भारी तादाद में लोग आए हैं अपने खाना पकाने का हुनर दिखाने। इन्हीं में से चुने जाएंगे 10 कंटेस्टेंट्स और एक होगी वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री सिलेक्टेड बाय जियो हाइपरमार्केट। द फूड शाला तक पहुंचने के दो रास्ते थे। You could either take part in the contest being held at the Oasis Center or participate in the Geo Wildcard Entry Contest. This was a sure shot way of making it to the final 11 of the Food Shala. Geo Hypermarket had organized a contest at their Ibn Battuta store where they had their own panel of judges who selected one wildcard entry out of the 3 finalists. And that wildcard entry went on to become one of the 11 finalists of the Food Shala.
There we are. And the winner is Suma Nair for Pan Fried.
Suma Nair was selected as the very deserving Geo Wildcard Entry winner.
I wanted one opportunity in my life and I got it.
इन्हीं जायकेबाजों को परखेंगे हमारे सिग्नेचर शेफ।
The knives are out, the battlefield is all set, the war paint is on. The judges are all ready and the contestants are all set for UAE's biggest culinary face-off. So let's flag off the clash of culinary technique and style.
I leave it on God. It's let him decide.
मेरे को नहीं मालूम, अल्लाह को मालूम, हम पका दी तो सच।
I lose or win, it doesn't matter because I took part in such a big event that matters to me.
One of the judges seemed to like it a lot, and two of the other ones were like, yeah.
I'm pretty confident I really win it.
All because of her.
You know, she can't talk because she's actually speechless now.
Thank you.
I'm really looking forward. I hope the judges like my food and I've got my fingers crossed.
पूजा जी, आपने आज क्या बनाया है?
Well, this is a pure Gujarati delight. For that's bhakri, that's gathianu shak, and that's patra.
तो इस डिश में क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स पड़ते हैं?
Well, there's a lot of ingredients usually, but not. I mean, chane ka atta and wheat flour and oil and all that basically. But yeah, I mean, tedious ones are the leaves that are used for patra's pan.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
एंड क्या आपको ये सब इंग्रेडिएंट्स बहुत आसानी से मिल गए?
Well, actually, I had to roam around a lot for that, but thankful to my friend, I just called her and I just asked, like, where am I supposed to get all this? And she told me that Gion Supermarket will provide everything, and that was my answer. And I went to Gion and I got everything.
हाँ, ये तो बिल्कुल सही है. जियोन से बढ़कर और कुछ भी नहीं. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से लेके ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग, द लिस्ट इज एंडलेस. इट्स योर वन स्टॉप शॉप. मैं भी गई थी जियोन दाल चावल लेने, एंड जस्ट सी व्हाट ऑल आई डिड. लेने आओ एक और ले जाओ अनेक. From mobile phones to mascara, from fish to frying pan, you name it and Gion has it. यहाँ के irresistible offers are something to look forward to. और कमाल की बात तो ये है कि यहाँ पर जो भी products promotions पे जाते हैं, उनको जियोन का merchandise department अच्छी तरह से जांच करके तभी रैक पे रखता है. जियोन में क्वालिटी पे कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होता. यू गेट गुड क्वालिटी एट अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस. The other day I went to my favorite Chinese restaurant और मुझे वहाँ का सूप बहुत पसंद आ गया. I asked the chef how it's made and he told me about this one particular mushroom which goes in there, and that was the portobello mushroom. Well, मैं 3 जगह गई और मुझे कहीं पर भी नहीं मिला, and here I found it at Gion very very easily. Well, Gion has a wide variety of fish as well. Well, if you're looking for something that's seasonal or even something that's unique, Gion has everything for all of you. And even if you don't find a product, all you have to do is just log on to their Facebook page and request that product. They can fulfill all your demands. The meat produced at the butchery in Gion is not only fresh and of utmost quality, but also the staff follows the hygiene standards which is set by the municipality. My God, I cannot tell you about the aroma here. It smells so good and it looks so delicious. Well, that's why I'm sure I'm not surprised that the bakery stuff out here sells like hotcakes. Did you know that as part of their CSR campaign, Gion actually discourages the use of plastic bags and actually encourages you to use jute bags like this? Well, let's say you actually wish to use a plastic bag. In that case, all you have to do is give a security deposit, and when you come back again to Gion for your shopping next time, you could give them the plastic bag and get back your deposit. Isn't that just amazing? Not only that, they also have a very, very unique scheme of rounding off your bill. Let's say your bill is 5.59 dirhams. So you can pay 6 dirhams, and the proceeds from that whole concept of rounding off actually goes to Dubai Cares. So I think Gion is the only retailer which not only looks after their customer, the environment, but also gives back to the society. So isn't it amazing to just shop at Gion? Well, I've done my shopping. I think it's time for you to do yours.
Well, like I said, there is nothing better than Gion. It's Gion and it's for you. जैसा कि आप सब देख रहे हैं, the contestants have locked knives and are putting forward their culinary best. The judges are finding it extremely hard to put down the score. I am as eager as you are to know the results, पर हम सब results जानेंगे थोड़े से इंतजार के बाद.